What is up, guys? Bingo here, and tonight, we're opening a RedMagic Gaming Tablet, the Astra, RedMagic Astra specifically, and it comes in this nice gray box, very simple. So this is the 256 gigabytes version. I also got some, where are those? Accessories with it, which we'll open later after the tablet. But yeah, so this is RedMagic Astra. It's a gaming tablet that's like 9 inches, which is really, I'm quite excited to have a device of that size. Reminds me of pretty much like an iPad mini. And I never had an iPad mini, but my mom had. It was pretty. The size was kind of amazing. Like I was just like that. And opening here, got all right. Tablet itself. Let's actually see the. I think there should be some specs here. No, there's none. Okay, got the tablet. RedMagic. Oh, that size is so nice. Fits well. Put it aside first. Let's have a look at the accessories. Got this red USB-C to USB-C. I'll be using those, so we'll just stay in the box. Got like so many USB-Cs at this point. Couple of stickers. RedMagic stickers. If you're that big of a fan, put it in your car. Put it in your, I don't know. I never use those. And this Quick Start Guide in different languages. Get it? Okay, no, that's it. And I think that's it. This plastic is pretty much in there. Let's try and see. Put this here. See the tablet itself. Close this. Put it as a background for this video. And this is the RedMagic tablet. Got this nice soft cover. Maybe we can just pull this off. Convenient. Chuck that away, and that's the tablet itself. You guys can see with the reflection. It's quite, let's say. Yeah, it's pretty much, it's okay to like handle it with one hand. We got this composite liquid metal here, RedMagic design. Vapor chamber, Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 cameras, and it's the 12 gigabyte and 256 storage version. Let's see if it has some power. Speakers on the sides. I don't know what this is. Microphone, USB-C, power, and I don't know, like gaming mode button, volume rocker, and the microphone as well. Let's see if it boots up. There we go. Get some power. Hi there. Let's English. So not English, but I forgot. Okay, so to say only English there. I have just English. Australia. Vision settings. No, can deal with those. Let's go start. Setup offline. Let's go to Australia. Plus 1310 now. Oh, there's no Melbourne. Sydney, I guess. It's. I'll set this up. Set this up later. New pin. Skip. Skip. Can I skip this? Yes, take all my data, Google. Fine print. Accept. Skip that for now. We'll do gestures. Wait, but gestures gonna be good on the tablet? I've never tried. Get started. There we go. We're right in. That's gonna be so confusing. So it's designed like that. Yeah. I'm used to like here being the, what do you call it? It's this one being the volume up. So it's quite a nice tablet here. Let's try the camera. Accept that while using the app. I don't know. Selfie camera. I guess for like video, it's okay for videos, but video calls. What's the resolution? I can shoot to 4K. Okay. Actually shoot 4K. Interesting. And we got a nice file manager. Never used a RedMagic product. Let's try. Actually, let me try connecting to the Wi-Fi for a bit. Just play some media. We got internet. Of course, we got TikTok pre-installed. Agree. Don't allow. Skip. Start watching.
How are you? Hey. I'm perfect. I'm just gonna do a random breakfast. Yeah, that's fine. Can I have your license, please? Let's go! 3, 2, 1, go! There's no choice.
Did you know Australians will no longer have to remove laptops, liquids, and aerosols from their bags during airport screening?
That's pretty loud. Let's see. YouTube. Don't allow. Let's watch some football. It's actually pretty loud.
Man, that tastes mellower than the atmosphere at the post office.
Man, that tastes mellower than the atmosphere.
No.
What? Is it updating? Yeah, it must be updating or something. Otherwise, I don't know. Yeah, I think let's put this down here for a bit. I've showed you guys pretty much. Let's see what Android do we have. It is RedMagic 10. And yeah, lots of some updates and stuff. Let's put it here. Let's open some. Actually, we'll open this. Let's do some comparison first. So I got a couple of things to compare this to. This is a Galaxy Tab 11-inch tablet. Very similar design. It's actually, even the curves are similar. And this is your usual 11-inch tablet. That's the difference. It's much thicker, but screen size, it's pretty much gonna, yeah, it's much thicker actually. Weight, it's a bit lighter, but really similar. That's the difference. It's like just under ratio. Yep. And let's compare this to my phone. This is Galaxy S25 Ultra. We're gonna have so much more screen in there. And this is an OLED panel, by the way. I don't know if you guys can know if anyone notices it from the video, but it's compared to Switch 2, which is much more, I think, much better comparison. So let's remove the Joy-Cons first, because this is a gaming tablet. Yeah, I think it's quite similar. This is 9 inches. Just the screen ratio it's got more height to it, I guess. Man, I don't want to ruin the screen. So it's like that. Switch 2 is much thicker, and yeah, I think it's also heavier. Pretty much. Hope that comparison helps. Just a quick comparison. Now let's open some accessories. This one is just a generic. It's okay. I opened it already. This is a generic screen case, very flimsy, from Amazon. Back, and it's really, I like the size of it. I don't know what is it about it, but it just seems perfect to me, even with the case on. You can also pop this off. You can stand, and shows you that area. It just feels nice. I could read a book here or something. And I think the second accessory we have is just a screen protectors. Probably forgot about this like way back in December. Yep, we got some generic screen protectors, and it's not even branding or anything. No guide or or whatever. It literally just came with this straight up screen protectors. I'm not complaining. Yeah, that's basically it. That's the RedMagic Astra. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll try and make another video about it. Maybe get a little more in-depth performance and stuff. But for now, it's just gonna be unboxing, quick look, this tablet, and what is this board notice? Yeah, I'm excited to try this out. It's got a 165 Hz screen, forgot to tell you about the tablet itself. But yeah, I bought it for about $800, $900 in sale, Australian dollars in sale in from Amazon. But you can also buy directly from RedMagic, which I think it's cheaper, but you're gonna have to pay for tax and shipping. No tax, but shipping's free. And yeah, can't wait to uh, use this tablet more. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Like, comment, subscribe as well.